Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to be going over the next part of my collection in the McDonald's toys. And today we're going to be going over the Lion King McDonald's toys. Now, I did not collect all of these. I missed one, unfortunately. But I'll show you the ones that I do have. So here's the box that I saved. And there's all the ones that you can collect. Okay, let me see if I can find the one I missed. I either missed two or I missed one. I can't remember. I think I missed this one right here. And I'm not sure what else other one I missed. We'll find out when we look at them. Okay, so number one. The first one up is number one. We have Timon. So, number one is Timon. Let me focus you here. Number one is Timon. And he's on a log. Which I can't remember what they do. Let me try turning this on. They're probably dead. Hang on a minute. Okay, I figured it out. He talks. Let me see here. How do we get that to work again?
I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life. Repeat after me, kid. Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, Timon talks.
Repeat after me, kid. Hakuna Matata. I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life.
He says Hakuna Matata, and I'm telling you, kid, this is the great life.
Repeat after me, kid. Hakuna.
This is what he says. So, yeah, we have Timon for number one. And I'll go ahead and turn him back off. And I'll put him over here because these connect. And I'll show you how they connect. So now we're looking for number two, which that may be one of them that we missed. 10. 9. That's 6. Yeah, I'm thinking number 2 is one of them that I missed. 5. So we'll have to figure it out here in a minute. Okay, I found number 3. That's number 3. Okay, we didn't miss number 2. We have number 2. Okay, number 2 is Rafiki. So let me get Rafiki out of here. This one is Rafiki holding the Simba. So I'll set that over there. Let me see if I can get this plastic off of him. I ain't really did this before. Hang on a minute. I gotta try to get this plastic off. Okay. That comes out from underneath him. Okay. I'll set the plastic over there for now. But anyway, here is Rafiki holding Simba. It's kind of hard to get Rafiki's face in the shot. Anyway, you got Rafiki holding Simba. Now, this one also makes noise. I'm trying to figure out how it does it. Let me see here. Apparently, I have to bang it on the flat surface. Oh, okay. It's one of those noisemakers. Like an echo. It just vibrates. But that's what that is. And we'll set him over there. So yeah, number 2 was Rafiki. So let me get Rafiki's paper back in this bag. Set it over there. And we also found number 3. So number 3's right here. Number 3 is the Simba cub. Simba when he's a cub. So number 3 is Simba. And he's another noisemaker, so there's all the ones you can collect and how they go together. So I'm going to be the king of Pride Rock and Hakuna Matata is what Simba says. So we'll get Simba turned on and we'll see if he still talks. Which he is on, right? Yeah, he's on. Come on.
I'm gonna be the king of Pride Rock.
There we go. Try again.
Hakuna Matata? I'm gonna be the king of Pride Rock. I'm gonna be the king of Pride Rock. Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, that's what he says. I'm going to be the king of Pride Rock and Hakuna Matata. And we'll set Simba there. Make sure. Yeah. Now go ahead and put him back. All these little things back in his bag. Now we got to look for number 4. Huh? Hang on a minute here. I'm starting to get confused. Was that? Oh, my bad. That's number 7. The Timon is number 7. My bad, my bad. Here's number 1. Mufasa is number 1. Yeah, I remember the one I didn't get now. It was Simba's mom. I did not get Simba's mom. But here's Mufasa. So we have Mufasa. And turn him on. Let's see here. He does the... Okay, he's supposed to say, "Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom." And then he roars. So we'll try to get him to do that. Turn him this way.
Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom.
One more time.
Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom. Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom.
And there's the war. So that's what that one does. And this one will connect to the Rafiki. Yeah, he'll connect to Rafiki, and then Simba's mom is supposed to connect behind that one, or beside that one. So right here you can see these two. They got these little puzzle pieces, and they will connect. And then when you have them like that, they would look like that, and then Simba's mom would be back here on the other side. But like I said, unfortunately I missed Simba's mom. So we got that, and we went over number 1 to 3 now. And we got that number 7 mixed up, so we now know we went over to number 7. So, number 4. Number 4 is the missing one. That would have been Simba's mom. I don't have number 4. So, we got to jump from number 4 to number 5. Which is the Nala cub. And this is the one that Simba eventually gets with. here's Nala. And she's got, I think she's supposed to be a rattle. Because she's got things inside. Yeah, she's supposed to be a rattle. But it does look like she could talk too, maybe? Or no, that's just a noisemaker, ain't it? Let me look at her paper. Yeah, it's just a rattle. And she connects to Simba and the bird on the tree. Okay. So each one of these little McDonald's toys is their own diorama. So yeah, that's number 5. And number 5 we have Nala Cub. So there's Simba and Nala together. Number 6 is the bird, Zazu. I'm going to go ahead and work on getting him out of his pack. And then here's number 6, Zazu. And here's the tree that both Simba and Nala connect to. And then here is Zazu. So I'll go ahead and I'll get this back in the bag, set this to the side. Work on trying to get this on here. Which, that's not going to be the easiest thing to do. Okay, there we go. Basically like that. And there's Zazu. Now we got to put Simba and Nala on here. So Nala looks like she will go here. And Simba will go here. So let me get these set up. Set these down here and then I'll let you look at them. Okay, there we go. Okay, that right there is Nala and Simba and Zazu. That's their diagram complete, or diorama complete. Here is what I have of Simba's father and Rafiki. Like I said, I miss Simba's mom. But that's what we got there. And then our next one would be number 7, which we done went over number 7. Number 7 was Timon. I messed him up with number 1. Yeah, number 7 was Timon. Number 8 is the next one, which number 8 is right here. Number 8 is Pumbaa. So we got Pumbaa for number 8. Get him off here. And he's supposed to make some kind of noise right there, you see. I'll have to figure out what he does. So set that there. Is he already turned on? I think he just does that. Yeah, things like that, almost like a stapler. But it's not a stapler, it's just a noise clicker. But anyway, there's Pumbaa. And Pumbaa connects to the log right behind Timon. So you take Pumbaa and you take Timon, and then you put them together, and then you have them connected to the log like that. So that's 2 of the log ones connected. Now we're going to go to number 9, which number 9 is the all grown up Simba. And we're going to get him out. His paper fell out. Apparently he is probably another noisemaker from the looks of it. Oh, okay, I see. These log pieces, when you do this. So he's built like another rattle. But anyway, there's the detail in the all grown up Simba. And he goes on the log behind Pumbaa. So I'll set him on the log behind Pumbaa. And I'll grab the phone. I'll show you right here. You can see there they are on the log. We got one more to go over. Yeah, I wish I didn't miss Simba's mom, but unfortunately I did. I've been meaning to get on eBay and try to purchase her from an eBay seller. I just haven't got a chance to get it or had the money. But number 10, the last one. And this one is the adult Nala. And she does... Okay, she's got like a twist thing on her. So, here's the adult form of Nala. Let me get it focused. Okay, here's the adult Nala. And right there's the twist thing I was telling you about. We'll look at it in a minute. But this is the Nala, and then this right here. Looks like it's just the noisemaker. Yeah, it's just the noisemaker. But anyway, Nala will go behind Simba. I'm going to have to rearrange these. Hang on. Let me rearrange some of these. Because this log is so long. I'm going to have to rearrange them. Put the log there. First I'll show you off the log before I block it. But, there they all are on the log. It begins from the rock and then the log that they're walking across. From that iconic scene from the movie. And then I'll put Simba and Nala and Zazu back together. Get them situated. Okay, here is the Simba, the Nala, and the Zazu. And then our last one that we'll be putting back together is this one. Rafiki and Simba's dad. But yeah, that's going to do it for this McDonald's figures collection of the Lion King toys from the McDonald's. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times, and you all have a blessed one. And when I come back, we'll be going over more McDonald's toys. But until then, y'all have a blessed one. And goodbye.